Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about Enjin coin, targets, updates of my main Boolean plan for this token. Let's dive in. Guys, first of all, I highly recommend you go and check the main Boolean plan for this token, what I posted basically 2 years ago. And for me personally, all targets are relevant, but like usual, only one main condition: this token should be exist on Binance and the major exchanges, because without the Binance, without some major exchanges, we will see zero liquidity, so token can still trade on some like Max, KuCoin, Binks, for example, but without main centralized exchanges, we probably will not see the main price movement, because zero liquidity, zero money inflow. So I explained it what is good with this token. First of all, it's like we can say the NFT token, but NFT sector, I mean, if we'll see some hype around NFT again, yes, definitely this token can perform. Also, I explained why it can perform, because almost all tokens in circular supply. And supply, it's not a big one. It's around 1.8 billion, market cap now 200 million. FDV 202, 196, 202, so equal. So there's no major unlocks or some seller pressure or some crazy, ICO rounds. No. But keep in mind, guys. So the pre-sale round was in 17, and ICO round was also in 17. But in August and October, take a look. I explained it many times. We can find out. So the token come back after the years to the pre-sale rounds or the ICO rounds, because of venture funds still in profit, 227%. I don't think so. Somebody still hold it. I guess they're already out of this token. At the top, it was like 16,000% gains. Yes, so that was a crazy profit, for that, guys. That's why they could distribute step by step. But we get a chance. So I explained it. My most positive case scenario, for this token, I don't believe in new all-time high. New all-time high possible only if something will happen with the NFT sector again, and we will see some crazy rally. So this was a FIB what I posted in that video, So top, support, drop, 27 block. We can even extend it FIBs, right? So we dump it under 27 block, and I explained it. So $3, $6 billion market capitalization. It's most positive case scenario for this token, by my personal opinion. If we will see the hype around the NFT sector again. At the top, it was around here, 4.2 billion. That's why, guys, $3, it can be I think it can be the top of the top. Conservative price targets, of course, it's around this one, zero level, like 70. It's a monthly gap, 70 cents. Next one, $1 psychological price target, $1.15 zero level, and $2 this one, around this order block, $2. So around 3 billion market capitalization. And a lot of tokens will finish the cycle like this one, and maybe just will be vanished from the market. So this is what about a Binance chart, but on the global chart, I would like to show you the full picture, of the Enjin, because this is a chart on the Binance since April 19, but this token exists much earlier, right? First trouble area, it's definitely this monthly gap. So we tested 1, 2, second time, and third one almost touched it. The good zone was here, 49.16, and everything what is under COVID dump. Should we drop on the COVID dump, guys? Nobody knows. Now the BTC dominance so high, and definitely we grab this liquidity pool. We can delete it, right? And only one and only the last one for this current moment, major one. It's a COVID dump low. It was like 3 cents. So basically, if we talk about IC rounds, so from 2017, right? So we come back to the IC round as strategic round after the 3 years. So should we drop now again under that level? I don't know. We already retested 5.10.91 this April. So technically technically we are here. Technically, we tested almost this one, IC round 2017. In COVID dump, we dump it to the press sale round. So when you see, I already explained it to you, when you see something like this order flow, people draw the trend line like this one. But if in the summer we'll go like this one, it's not a breaking out. It's just because of chart going all the time the right side. That's why to see the breaking out, we have to pump over than this liquidity pool, over than 40 cents, this one, with retest or without, break the structure and start build, this uptrend structure, this one. So this is going to be the shift and test the monthly gap, reject and go higher, for example, or finish the riot at $1.50 or go to $3 to $2. Hard to say, guys, which sector will perform, which sector is not. But I highly recommend you guys always build a plan. And this cycle definitely so hard mode, guys. So it's not we lose the money and you lose, for example, the money you stuck in some token. It's not because you don't understand something. No, maybe. Of course, some people got more experience, some less. But guys, based on my experience, I can say, yes, this cycle definitely like a hard mode because we get institutional, we get a so high BTC dominance, right? And definitely institutional, don't care about the altcoins, they care about more about BTC, and they speculate altcoins, and they can dump so low altcoins just to make the gains in USD, and after that USD converts into BTC again, right? So now I would like to show you the global chart. If you didn't know, you can type some ticker, USD, and find the crypto ticker, spot crypto. This one, you will see the global chart. You will see the global historical one chart. And this is what you have to analyze all the time. Technically, the people can use also the line chart. So basically we can form this one, 1, 2, 3 rise pattern, drop. Can we pump to, I don't know, to 10 billion market capitalization, to $5? Guys, let's be real. I don't think so. But everything possible. Of course, everything possible. Let's check, guys. This chart looks weird, right? Definitely. So most conservative price targets can be like $1.30, $1.50, And if we compare, for example, with the COVID dump low, this one, March, to the top, we hit here 12,000. After that, it was like 14,000. And if we count, for example, this low, current one, so here, like 1,400, and this one, it can be around 3,000. That's why, guys, not all tokens, even more, not all tokens, unfortunately, guys, perform like crazy. So here at $2, around 3 billion market capitalization, yes, it's going to be 3,000% gains. So just in case, if we count from this low here, it was the 4,000% gains. This cycle can be like 3,000. We have to all the time pay attention for the for the gains in the percentage. Let's double check with indicator set. ADZ, it's not available for this ticker. Here, monthly time frame, guys. This is a capitulation. So since May 2024, we're in capitulation. The lowest point was 26 cents. Now we are traded at 6 cents. Now we stay at 10 cents. So definitely, once again, I explain it. When you see order flow like this one bounce 50%, order flow like this one bounce 50%, and in summer we can form the double bottom, for example, then break the structure and going higher to the $1.50 to the $1.20 or $2. We can't know where this token will stop. It's a monthly time frame. Weekly time frame, yes, here accumulation pump, accumulation, tiny one pump. So a main trouble area, it's around 40 cents. When we break the 40 cents, a retest some 50% of the drop, we can start talking about the break of structure. Now we're still in a downtrend. Based on seasonality, based on the money inflow, I guess we can go higher from this current prices or not, it's hard to say. We're in disbelief. So guys, I highly recommend you go and check the main Boolean plan, so you understand the logic. And we talk about a spot. Trade on, money power. Trade on, guys, here was money inflow at 17 cents. Money outflow at 39 cents. Now weekly time frame, we at the bottom, but without many main money inflow. Monthly here, whales accumulate 1 October. Let's check the price targets. 38, 27, 23, the lowest point. After that, accumulation was at 11. So we can say if the whales accumulate, if they get a plan for this token, the average entry could be like 20 cents. So it means exactly after 40 cents, they could withdraw initial deposit, right? The logic. We break this structure and we can go higher. And they will distribute the free tokens. So guys, it's not always about the chart, it's about a logic. Trade on the monthly, sell, buy back, buy back, buy back. Everything looks good. Daily, here, it was the last signal to buy. Here we got to take profit. From that signal to buy, in the moment, we dump it 5% low. So here, for example, like 2% or 5% or around 13%. But in general, we perform like to take profit. Today, we got to take profit indicator. Not sale, but take profit, 84%. So it's good gains, guys. It's with the second leverage, even with the second leverage. So it means almost zero risk, right? We pump like 160%. And if you think it's not enough, guys, just increase your initial deposit. The last one, take profit, guys. So we dump it here on the daily. Fundamental value, bounce. Take profit line, now it's at 1366, exit line 1540. Weekly time frame, we trade way under, traded under fundamental value. Take profit line on weekly, it's at 32 cents, exit line 36. So that's it, guys. Monthly, finally monthly period here. So we trade under fundamental value on a monthly, it's 25 cents. Take profit line on a monthly, it's 66. So guys, if we will see something like this one, this will be not a time to ask, is it okay to buy or not? It will be the okay time to fix some profit. So guys, I hope you like this video. Highly recommend you go and double check the main Boolean plan video for this token. If you would like to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.